Okay, 60 seconds. How do you zoom in on an image in Premiere? So grab your image that you want to zoom on and add it to your project. You can add it to your project resources here in this window or to your actual project timeline right here. Click on the image you want to zoom on. Make sure you've got it highlighted down here. Up in this window, you're going to see some options for things you can do with this. You want to look for the one that says Effect Controls. To make this zoom happen, you have to add these things called keyframes. So we're going to click on Position and we're going to click on Scale. You can notice right here that they added these little diamonds. This is the starting point for the picture. We're going to then scroll this all the way across to where we want the end of the zoom to happen. And then we adjust this stuff just by simply clicking, holding, and dragging. You can adjust the zoom as much as you want, the position, wherever you want the camera to end up after this time has elapsed. And what you end up with is a basic zoom, and then you can adjust as needed.